Meet Robot Builder, a skill that turns Claude into your personal robotics mentor. From your very first parts list to fully autonomous machines, it guides ground rovers, boats and submersibles, and aircraft, matched to your budget and your skill level. It now spans robotic arms and grippers, CNC machines and lasers, six-legged walkers, and whole swarms of robots. Every one held to the same safety-first playbook. And it grows with you. From that free browser start all the way to a full robotics development environment. Simulators, ROS, and machine learning, on your own machine or in the cloud. Start building a robot for free, right in your browser, with nothing to install. To prove it, the skill designed this virtual self-balancing robot in a physics simulator, then tuned a classic cascaded PID controller that shrugs off a shove. Then it wrapped the same robot in a training gym and taught a neural network to balance from scratch. 300,000 steps, about 5 minutes on an ordinary laptop. And everything ships with hard rules: battery discipline, legal flight, secure connections. And AI never gets direct control of the motors. Clone it, install it, start building. On Claude, ChatGPT, or Gemini. Robot Builder. From first motor to machine learning.